Welcome back to my channel. In this video we will make a magical liquid fertilizer, which will provide a rich array of nutrients essential for plant growth. It supplies nitrogen, which is crucial for leafy growth and vibrant green foliage. Phosphorus in the fertilizer supports strong root development and enhances flowering and fruiting. Potassium helps improve overall plant health, strengthening resistance to diseases and pests while aiding in water regulation. Additionally, this fertilizer offers trace minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, which are vital for various physiological processes within the plant. The presence of organic matter also boosts microbial activity in the soil, enhancing nutrient availability and improving soil structure. Making liquid fertilizer from leaves, weeds, and even dead plants using a 5-gallon bucket is a simple and effective way to recycle garden waste and enrich your soil. Start by collecting a variety of green materials such as fresh leaves, weeds, grass clippings, and any dead plants that are free from diseases. These green materials are rich in nitrogen, which is essential for plant growth. Once you have your materials, chop them into small pieces. This increases the surface area and speeds up the decomposition process. Fill about half of your 5-gallon bucket with the chopped green and brown materials, mixing them well. Next, add water to the bucket until it is nearly full, leaving a few inches of space at the top to allow for stirring. The water helps to break down the organic matter and extract the nutrients into a liquid form. Cover the bucket loosely with a lid or cloth to keep out debris while allowing air to circulate. Let the mixture sit for about 2 to 3 weeks, stirring it every few days to aerate the mixture and speed up decomposition. You will notice that the mixture will begin to break down and turn into a dark, nutrient-rich liquid. After a few weeks, the liquid you have now is your homemade fertilizer. To use your liquid fertilizer, dilute it with water at a ratio of about 1 to 10, 1 part fertilizer to 10 parts water. This dilution ensures that the fertilizer is not too strong for your plants. Pour the diluted fertilizer around the base of your plants. You can apply this fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season to provide a steady supply of nutrients to your plants. Remember, the key to a successful liquid fertilizer is patience and regular stirring. The decomposition process takes time, but the end result is a powerful, nutrient-rich fertilizer that will enhance your garden's productivity. Give it a try and enjoy the benefits of healthier, more vigorous plants. Don't forget to check out the video link in the description for more recipe and detailed instructions on making your own nitrogen-rich fertilizers. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.